My name is Vijay Singh Rathore. I have completed my graduation from Rajasthan Technical University in Civil Engineering, and I belong to Nagaur district, Rajasthan only. Right now, I just doing a job as a front-end developer in Bangalore. I learned many things like how to work in group, and those things are really working for me right now. And if I tell one of the good projects is there is a website called Lovota. So it is mainly related to women's earrings and necklaces. I made it individually, and I really loved the website work because of the Albert Search teaching. I made it with the help of React only. And if I talk about the last project was related to furniture items only. It was a group project, and we all contributed equally, so it is also one of the best projects I have ever made. Yeah, they are helping me right now, because I want to tell you one thing, like taking skeleton classes helped me a lot getting confidence and how to talk to people and how to attend meetings. Working in a group project helped me a lot. Like today I work in a group only. Sometimes I get difficulties. Sometimes my seniors even get difficulties, and they even ask me what I have to do. And that time I realize, okay, so Masai is the great thing I have ever made, like the decision I have ever taken. I just want to tell you one thing, like Masai is a library of knowledge. If you want to get knowledge, you have to go to the library. Struggle will be there. Without struggle, you can't achieve anything. I can blindly trust Masai. And the students who are out there, if they want to make their career in coding, then they really need to trust Masai only.